Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to learn Japanese communication that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store, and in here search and learn Japanese communication. So learn Japanese, and here it is, the first one. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So learning Japanese communication, these are the categories available: greetings, and so you'll have the option to answer these questions, choose the correct meaning of this sentence, speak this sentence exactly. So you'll have the option to record your voice and translate the sentence, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that the application of learning Japanese communicate with common sentence patterns along with the meaning interpretations, spelling transcriptions, and real sounds support people who start learning Japanese or the people who prepare for traveling or learning and working in Japan. So the features again: more than 16 topics covering the basics, areas, aspects of life, more than 2,000 common sample dialogues, conversations in life, supporting real sounds and offline use, and so on. Alright, that's done. Let's go ahead and open it. And here it is. So you have to choose the language. So English, allow it. And these are the categories that you can choose. So you can also use the search bar in here to search for a particular words or sentence. So let's just try love. So there, I love it here, I love you. Let's try this one, koko ga daisuki. Then you'll have the option to add it to your favorites and listen to this sentence. So it's koko ga daisuki desu. So let's go back. And let's go to menu. So in the menu, you'll have the option to remove the ads by upgrading it to Pro version. Translate words, sentences. So you'll be able to translate it by tapping this one. Download Japanese translator. So similar apps created by the same author, you'll have the option to download it. Learn on unlock screen. There you can lock your screen while learning other apps similar to this. Facebook share, feedback, and so on. So there's nothing much actually in the settings. So in here is where you can select a category like this one, eating out. So just use any of these words. So tap this one here to silence the audio if you don't want to listen, but I prefer it enabled. So select a word like this one, chopstick. So how to pronounce it, just tap this one, this audio, you will play. It's hashi. Knife is naipu, and I'm hungry is onakagasuitimasu, and so on. So dating, you can try the dating and you'll be able to use this sentence: I'm single, watashi wa dokushin desu. Do you have a girlfriend? If you're looking for a girlfriend in Japan, then use this. Kanojo wa imasu ka? Do you have a boyfriend? Kareshi wa imasu ka? I have a girlfriend, and so on. So just select a sentence that you want to use to communicate, like this one: will you marry me? Keikon shite kuremasu ka? Keikon shite kuremasen ka? Stop calling me. Denwa shite konai de. Who is he? Kare wa dare? He's just a friend. Kare wa tada no tomodachi desu, and so on. So let's explore other things in here, like this one, tourist attractions. So let's scroll down and look for Mount Fuji, so Fuji-san, and tap this to add it to your favorites. Neko National Park, Toshogo Shrine, there. And then, do I have to pay to get in? So, Ryoju wa arimasu ka? Can I take photos? 写真を撮ってもいいですか? Sure. and also favorites. So just tap the favorites and you'll be able to see your favorites. Right now I have added 2 favorites. So translation, as you can see, you can translate from English to Japanese, Japanese to English. And then you'll be able to, let's say this one, I love you, and translate. So right now it's translating. Okay, there. So watashi wa anata o aishitemasu. So Japanese, then you have the option to copy it, and now you can paste it in here if you want to, there, and then you can translate it back to English. So it's I love you. So there, this application is really easy to use. So I just want to add some of the features. Systematizing exercise speaking demo helps memorization more effective and enjoyable. The simple interface is convenient and easy to use. So it's actually really simple application. All you need to do is select a category in here, like this one, family, and then you'll be able to use it to communicate. Like this one, with his parents in Japan, it's going to be Ryoshin, and then so on. So I highly recommend that you have this app before you travel to Japan, so that you'll be able to communicate, you'll be able to communicate and talk to the Japanese people. So greetings. So you'll have the option, if you're going to tap the check, you'll have the option to answer this sentence. So choose the correct meaning of this sentence. Konnichiwa, it's going to be hello, there. Next, you'll have the option to record your voice. Speak this sentence exactly by tapping this one to touch the microphone to say Ohayo gozaimasu. There, Ohayo gozaimasu. Next, good afternoon. So it's konnichiwa, and there, it's correct. Translation, konbawa, it's good evening. There, correct. And choose the sentence to hear. So since I'm using the microphone, I'm not able to listen to it, but you'll be able to. So just tap this one and then select the answer in here. So let me just try to guess it. If it's this one, okay, it's incorrect. So that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use and simple, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.